Okay, just a little update here. So the cabinets are all installed, and I was going to shoot one video when the countertops came in and all the trim work was done, but it's been a while since I posted a video, so I thought I would put a little update in here. So everything went in, and you can see the baseboard is in, and I got some appliances going in, like the oven over here and the beverage cooler. We still have to wait on the crown molding because a couple of these cabinets, they're going to replace some things. We have to wait for the cabinets, damaged pieces to get replaced, and then the crown could go on top. And you can see I put my recessed lights in there. They're little hockey pucks that are countersunk. And then I got the under the cabinet lighting as well. And they are all on dimmers. And you won't see the LED bar under there once the light rail goes on, but again, that's more the finished work that needs to be done. So just coming around here, that's a microwave draw. Obviously, I have to wait for the countertops to go in before I put the range top, which will be here. So we got our temporary burners, so we could do a little bit of cooking. I installed the hood temporarily. It's coming back down. The mounting bolts will stay in the wall for when the tile comes to do the backsplash, and then I will reinstall it over the backsplash. That's why there's still the hole in the wall, and I didn't even bother putting the vent on. But this has a light, fan. You can see the damper open up. That's on high. Yeah, just turn it off for now. The refrigerator came. I was ready to get it installed, and then I noticed the frame was bent at the bottom. New one's coming this weekend, so hopefully I'll get that installed soon. Got a little nook over here. Again, a lot of trim work needs to be done, like hiding that 2x4, and then all the crown up top that still needs to go in. Last night I installed the double wall oven. Coming around to here, this is going to be the main bar sitting area. 9 feet long. There will be a slab of quartz on the top of it with an overhang and bar stools. You can see how my vents came through the bottom, if you recall from the other videos where I had the ductwork laying on the floor. There's one on the other side. And then swinging around all the way to the other side of the kitchen here. This is the view from walking in from the garage. The coffee nook, the refrigerator, pantry, double wall oven, beverage cooler area. Oh, here, this came out nice. This is the back of the island. They did this little bit of extra trim work on there to make it look nice. There's an outlet. The dishwasher will go in that spot. And of course the sink over here. And that's about it. That's the update. We just got to wait on the replacement cabinets to come. They're not really cabinets, it's like a door here or a scratch there. So just little stuff that needs to be addressed before the final is done. So at this point, you've pretty much seen it all. I will probably shoot one last video when the countertops are on, appliances are in, everything is working, and we'll look at the finished product at that point. See you later.